the breeze. All these things are elements in nature. They are aspects of nature that also apply to us because we are products of nature. I'm saying it again. We breathe in, we breathe out. But what are we breathing in and what are we breathing out? Can we see the air? No. But what if the air has become toxic? It has become poisoned. What if nature has become poisoned? How do we know? What is the proof? Do they spray our skies? Do they spray us like bugs? Do you know what you are breathing in? Do you know why in ancient Egypt or in Kemetic philosophies, they show you about how ancient pharaohs had different colors. Some were green. Osiris was green. Why? They were bigger. Why? The frequency was different. But what if the air now has become so toxic that we can no longer reflect the real color we have? What if this color is not the real color we have? We're breathing in oxygen. We claim to be breathing in oxygen, but in school they taught us about the composition of air. And they told us about you had this percent nitrogen, this percent oxygen, this percent other gases. What if the other gases is just what we are breathing in? Can you see it? Can you calculate it? Can you calibrate it? Why are there so many sicknesses? Why are farmers complaining? Why are crops dying in masses? Why are birds no longer in our skies? Please tell me, please. When I was younger, I could remember way more birds than this. The fifth one, spirit. Spirit is soul. That's your connection to the other side. Not everybody has a soul. I've said this several times. But 9 ether beings do. And who are 9 ether beings? Africans. We have a divine connection to the cosmos because we are made up of the same stuffs that the cosmos is made up of, that our planet is made up of. The animals, the plants, the trees, they are all made up of one thing that we have. Do the animals go to church? So why do you? I know what you say, but the animals don't go to school now. But we go to school. Where has it gotten you? The idea of school was for us to be able to create things afterwards. But look at what school has become. Pure theory. Pure theory to the point where you only graduate to go work for somebody or go work under a corporation. That's slavery. That's not education. You're just telling the person what the person needs to know so the person can function. You're not telling the person what the person needs to know so the person can excel. It's two different things. When I realized this, I was like, So what is the way out? What is the solution? Value your connection to source. Value your connection to your